Okay, the Craftsman cabinet along with the Versatrack. The cabinet's easy to install, it goes great and hangs on the Versatrack. Hey, I'm Steve, and today I'm going to put together the Craftsman 28-inch wide wall cabinet, and I'm also going to hang it on some Versatrack for just adding a few things to my garage for garage storage. And the cabinet and the Versatrack are awesome stuff made by Craftsman. The cabinet will take you about 30 minutes to install. You got a bunch of nuts and bolts, but instructions are real easy to put this thing together. Here I am. I have finished putting the cabinet together. I've hung it on the Versatrack just to get a quick look at it. So now I'm going to place the cabinet up higher on the Versatrack where it belongs. And there's a bracket you install in the back of the cabinet, and it hangs on the Versatrack. Couldn't be any more simple. And yes, I'm very happy with that. Turned out perfect for me. Okay, the Craftsman cabinet along with the Versatrack. The cabinet's easy to install, it goes great and hangs on the Versatrack. So it's a great addition to my garage. So if you're looking at either one, the Craftsman cabinet or the Versatrack, I hope you found the video helpful.